Local photographer and surfer Scott Fairchild is an enthusiast tracking sharks with his drone.
Just over about the last 3 or 4 years now, I can find a great white 95% of the time, and within 30, 60 seconds, they're around. But around August to October, we'll have quite a lot, and I start seeing the same ones, start naming them southpaw just because one tag is extremely low left. Of course, there's one called Scarface. One's called Rudolph, has a big white pronounced nose. You can see it from really far away. It is scary, and there are certainly still dangerous situations you should remove yourself from and take lesson on note of when that is and how to behave. But I do love that there is the coexistence and that people are learning that it's not all Jaws and that we shouldn't necessarily be afraid of them. And certainly not all types of sharks. They're not the evil monster. They're not out hunting us. We're not on their diet. We're not a part of their meal plan. And that we can interact and coexist peacefully.